Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a crucial skill that can transform your financial life, budgeting. We're going to take the mystery out of budgeting and give you a clear, step-by-step plan to take control of your money. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. The first step to building a solid budget is to track where your money is actually going. For 1 month, write down every time you spend money, whether it's a cup of coffee, your rent, or those impulse buys you try to forget about. Once you have a month of spending data, categorize your expenses, things like housing, transportation, food, utilities, and entertainment. This will give you a clear picture of where your hard-earned money is going. Now look at your income. How much are you bringing in each month after taxes? This is your net income. The goal is to spend less than you earn. Set some spending limits for each category based on your income and your goals. Be realistic and honest with yourselves. If you're spending $500 a month on eating out, it's time to start packing your lunch. Write down your income and your expenses with a pen and paper. Every single dollar needs a name and a job. Decide at the beginning of the month where your money is going to go. Track your progress. At the end of each month, compare your actual spending to your budget and see where you did well and where you need to make adjustments. Remember, budgeting isn't about deprivation. It's about being intentional with your money. This way you can reach your financial goals. Let's talk about different budgeting methods because one size doesn't fit all. We'll start with zero-based budgeting, my personal favorite. With zero-based budgeting, you're giving every dollar a job. You start with your income, subtract your expenses, and then allocate any remaining money to savings or debt repayment until you get to zero. Next, we've got the 50-30-20 rule. This method suggests allocating 50% of your after-tax income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. For those who prefer a simpler approach, the envelope system is a great option. This is a cash-based system where you literally divide your cash into different envelopes for each spending category. Once an envelope is empty, that's it for that category until the next month. It's a great way to curb overspending. For my tech-savvy folks, there are also a ton of budgeting apps that can help you track your spending, create a budget, and even set financial goals. No matter which method you choose, the key is to find one that you can stick with. Don't be afraid to experiment until you discover what works best for you and your lifestyle. When you're in control of your money, you're in control of your life. You'll have peace of mind knowing where your money is going. Keeping track of your finances can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be with all the fantastic tools and apps available today. First up, we've got Mint. Mint is a popular budgeting app that connects to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically tracking your income and expenses. It categorizes your transactions and provides you with a clear visual representation of your spending habits. Then there's YNAB, short for You Need a Budget. YNAB is based on the zero-based budgeting method and helps you allocate every dollar of your income to specific categories. It emphasizes being intentional with your money and staying focused on your financial goals. For those who prefer a more visual approach, Personal Capital is a great option. It provides comprehensive financial tracking, including investments, and offers beautiful charts and graphs to help you understand your financial picture. If you're looking for an app specifically designed for couples, Honeydew is a fantastic choice. It allows you to share finances with your partner, track spending together, and even set joint financial goals. And for those who prefer to keep things simple, Good Budget is a digital version of the envelope system. Try out a few different options and see which one fits your needs and preferences best. Technology can be a powerful ally in your budgeting journey. Now that you know the basics, it's time to put this knowledge into practice and start your own budget. Remember, budgeting is the key to taking control of your finances, getting out of debt, and achieving your financial dreams. Take that first step, be consistent, and watch your financial life transform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful financial tips.